Hello and welcome to CryptoTV. This is Manoj Dara, and joining on today's Budget 2022 special discussion, we have a very special guest. He's Mr. Rohas Nagpal, Chief Blockchain Architect at HiFi Blockchain. Rohas, welcome to the show and welcome to CryptoTV, sir.
Thank you for inviting.
So, very quickly, if you can just begin with what is your assessment of this 2022 budget announcements which have come? How do you read this, sir?
Awesome. So I think for the blockchain and crypto sector, I could not have expected anything better, because what the government has done in this budget is very importantly, it has defined certain very important terms. So we were always wondering, is crypto legal or illegal? So the government has now defined it as a virtual digital asset.
Fantastic.
Given a clear definition and clear taxes relating to it. So now all those doubts that people had that crypto may become illegal, those doubts are gone.
Fantastic. And my first question to you is, sir, there's a big announcement on the CBDC front or the digital rupee, if you can just say. RBI is going to come out in 2022-23. That's a clear roadmap FinMin has recommended and proposed as well. So how do you see and read this statement, and how will this announcement change the economy going forward, sir?
Sure. So I think it is still too early to talk about the central bank digital currency, because there are lots of issues that need to be resolved. Secondly, when we look at a country like India, where we are already having excellent payment systems like UPI, so a central bank digital currency is not going to be of much use to regular day-to-day payments. The only place I could see some relevance is in on-ramping and off-ramping for crypto.
Fantastic.
So today, where we are using stable coins, we could in future use the digital rupee. But I think that is still going to take quite some time.
Fantastic. As you're talking about, this is the step in the right direction. The government has, or the FinMin has recommended or proposed a 30% tax on the virtual assets. How do you see this statement, and what will be the implication for this sector going forward, sir?
So I think a lot of us expected a higher taxation. So I would say 30% is a very good level that has been put. So I'm extremely happy with it.
So आपको कितना लग रहा था, sir, tax आने वाला है?
We were all expecting 40%.
All right. So this is actually, is this the right step, sir? I mean, what will be the implication for, as an investor, or for someone who is looking to hold this thing for a longer period of time?
So I think it's a very good thing for everyone, whether you are long-term holder or short-term holder, because at least now you're not worried about being legal or illegal. And government has also introduced TDS of 1%, which will be put. And I think it's a very good step in the right direction. With that 1% TDS, all transactions will start to get recorded and reported to the government. And then with the 30% tax, I think it's a very fair thing. And only one thing which, I'm not very sure on right now is, suppose in a particular year, I am making a profit on some transactions and a loss on some other.
Right.
How will that offset work? Little clarity is still needed.
Sir, as we are talking about this announcement and the budget 2022, how do you see this announcement on the TDS? Traditionally, whenever these announcements, such as STT, which was levied on the stock market, it has not gone well with the trading community. How do you see this, for this announcement for exchanges? I think this is going to be a little tough on the regular day traders as well as on the crypto exchanges. That sector, I'm presuming there will be a lot of impact on that. See, for the rest of us, I'm primarily talking from a crypto project point of view, right? For us, it's great news, but for the exchanges and day traders, I think things are going to get tougher. Exactly, as we were talking about the tax implications and the proposal which the government has made, what do you see this announcement as going forward, since there was a mention of gift taxable in the hands of recipient? इसको कैसे explain करेंगे, sir? That is normal. That is how it is always done. So when you are making a gift to blood relatives like husband, wife, or father, son, those are always kept outside the purview. But other than that, all gifts are taxed anyway. So that is not a surprise at all. It is just now it has specifically been included that if you are gifting cryptos, then that also attracts tax. All right, one last word. Do you see anything else coming out from this budget? I mean, this is the step in the right direction. First announcement of CBDC, 30% odd tax, 1% TDS. What's next? So I think now the next step would be detailed legislation around the digital rupee, because that is a very fundamental change in the way rupee is issued in India.
So that would require a very different set of laws before we go ahead in that direction. But coming back to regular cryptos, I don't think we need any more clarity. I think things are very clear.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for talking to CryptoTV and giving your reaction on 2022 budget, which is, as per Rojas, is a very optimistic one. Thank you so much, sir.